All right, guys, this is the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 cabin. This one does have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. I only got about 3 minutes to film this, so let's do this real quick. As you can see, beautiful 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch with the swing. Got the ghost swinging in it right now. Beautiful handcrafted screened in front door built by the Amish. You walk on in, and let me close the front door here. And here you got space for a couch, double pane windows. As you can see, we just got it staged a little bit. We're not done with it yet, but we got a little Amish log furniture here. The windows have these little ledges on them. Isn't that pretty cool? Put your curtains up, put some decorations up top. And then over here to the right, we're gonna put a stove there, put the sink in. You see we're getting ready to install it. Microwave and refrigerator over there. That way you got a little kitchenette. So again, it's like an open concept deal. Look at them beams up there, isn't that cool? Beautiful cabin. This one is $69,900 like this, or if you want it fully turnkey, it's $120,000. We'll put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it. This slider right here opens up, and there you go. You got where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go over here. Then you open up this other slider, and you got bedroom number 1, and then bedroom number 2 at the end. So again, this is a 2-bed, 1 bath, Amish built cabin. This is built rustic. So these are 4x6s. Let me show this to you here. This is 4x6s stacked on top of each other with the chinking in between. Okay, so again, there's your living area. And then you come out here. Let me show you the construction of it. You can see the porch is on a hinge system. So that folds down. These railings come out for transportation. That's how we ship them all over God's country here. And you can see the construction is 4x6 rough cut southern yellow pine stacked one on top of the other, making this a solid structure. You can pick any color shutters you want, and if you scoot back, you can see we got a 26 gauge 40-year metal roof on it. Beautiful structure. Again, we call this one El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This one again is $69,900, or fully loaded for $120,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033, 812-595-4033. All right, we got Nadia over here in front of the big Bertha 1.0. 1.0.
Oh, 1.0.
Yeah.
So many big Berthas.
We mix them up all the time.
I love the big Bertha.
Yes.
Keep up with that. Why are we gonna come with big Bertha 4.0?
We will come up with a 4.0 eventually, but this is the 1.0, and
so this is the original.
this is the original, except we did go ahead and put the...
We had this on the El Chapo too? Or?
We did, yeah. So we originally had the screened-in porch on the El Chapo, but then
cool is this?
we put it over here on the big...
Oh my God.
Isn't that cool?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, have a seat on the swing so we can
The swing?
show the people.
The swing comes with it?
The swing comes with it.
No way, this is awesome. I love this.
Yep. So
Oh my goodness.
super cool. So this is just a quick little video we're doing for you guys.
This definitely gives you a different feeling with all the, what are these called?
Screened-in porch.
Screened-in porch, yes.
Yep.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
Yep.
Oops.
Little windy day today.
It is windy.
Okay, so let's have her go inside and just show you guys the inside of...
It's so spacious.
Yes.
Expecting this.
So just real quick video showing you all.
Nah, this cabin just ruined every modern house I've seen lately. The Amish-built rustic Big Bertha 1.0 features 2 loft bedrooms, 1 bathroom, handcrafted southern yellow pine timber walls, a full-covered porch, and nearly 800 square feet of cozy rustic living space. Perfect for Airbnb rentals, vacation property buyers, or peaceful countryside living. Nationwide delivery available. Call 812-595-4033.
This is an all-wood rustic cabin, absolutely gorgeous. This is built by the old order Amish. You got a beautiful green roof with the green shutters. Remember, you can pick whatever colors you want if you don't want the green. And if you want a different stain color on the front, you can do that as well. Okay. This cabin is $79,000 as it is. Or you can buy it fully loaded with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks and everything in it for $110,000. Okay. Now we can go bigger. For example, the Big Bertha 3.0. But today we're showing a little love and attention to the Big Bertha 1.0 here. So as you can see, to the left of the front door here, you have a screened-in porch. And to the right, we kept that open. That way you can put you a grill or some rocking chairs over that way. And then over here, when it's time to escape the bugs, you can go out on your porch swing and hide out in here and hide away from them bugs so you don't get bit and eaten up alive by them bugs out on your property. Now, some of y'all got worse bug problems than others, but hey, it's always nice to have a screened-in porch here so you can relax and keep yourself from getting eaten up. Now, this window here is where your sink is in the kitchen. So when you're doing your dishes, you can kind of look out on your property or on your porch and do it like that. Okay. Again, the porch is 6 foot by 32 foot. Okay. So as you can see too, you got the handcrafted screen doors made of wood. Isn't that neat? I always love these wooden screen doors. It's just not something you see every day. These are handmade by the Amish. Isn't that cool? You got one on the front door, and then you got one here that goes into your screened-in porch area. Your windows are double pane vinyl windows with the argon gas, e-glass. And then you come on in here, and straight ahead, that goes to the back door. You got your stairs that go up to the second floor loft. Okay, let me close the door behind us here. You see what I'm looking at? Beautiful live edge table here, and that's built into the cabin. So this is included in your cabin, guys. When you purchase a Big Bertha, it's starting to get a little dark because the sun is starting to set. So I'm gonna have to speed it up. Look at that, beautiful kitchen cabinets, all handcrafted, naughty pine by the Amish. You already got your hole cut out to put you a big farm sink here. Again, you remember when I was on the porch? That's that window right there. Like I said, wash your dishes, looking out the window. Look at them handcrafted Amish built cabinets. You got a spot there for your full-size refrigerator. You got a spot here for your stove, microwave. Okay, this room right here is where the pantry / laundry room can go. Oh, now the phone's going off. So pantry and laundry room there. And then over here in this other unit, we can go ahead and put a full tub, toilet, and sink in here for your bathroom. Okay. And then over here, this door on this wall right here under the stairs is typically where we'll install your 200 amp electrical panel. And then upstairs, of course, is your 2 lofted bedrooms connected by a catwalk. So comment below, guys. Let me know what y'all think about this cabin. I love feedback. So make sure you always hit the like, share, and follow button and comment below. And let me know what y'all think about these cabins, because we spent a lot of time taking in that feedback and making sure we listen to y'all, okay? So we can always improve. Look at that beautiful knotty pine. That's soft wood, guys. That's real knotty pine floors right there. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? You got these little ledges right here. You hang up your curtains and put some little decorations on top of your windows. You got the easy clean windows right there, double pane. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? I just can't get over them floors. And again, I wish y'all, man, like I said, I always say I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision, because it just smells so good in here, guys. It smells unbelievable. The smell of pine And this one, we got some cedar accents. So you got that mix of pine and cedar. And you know, there's no smell like cedar. In my opinion, cedar is one of the most best-selling smells there is. So let's take a peek upstairs. I'm losing light, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all. There's your loft. We got that loft open. Catwalk. We walled off that loft, but we can also wall off this loft if you want as well for us to privatize it. This cabin, again, as you can see, the Amish sell it this way, where people, because we got a lot of our customers that are plumbers, electricians, they're DIY guys and ladies that are into DIY. So a lot of people, they'll buy this cabin just like this. They'll run their own electric, they'll do their own plumbing, put in their own tubs, toilets, and sinks. And in that case, you can buy the cabin from us for about $79,900. But let's say you're the type of person, you don't want to mess with none of that, okay? You just want this cabin to show up, plug and play, with all your electrical outlets, heating, cooling, plumbing, everything done. This cabin is 110, totally turnkey, move-in ready. 110, turnkey, move-in ready. And then, of course, whatever it costs to ship it to you and come out and install it. So let's go upstairs real quick. Love them spindles on them staircases. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Absolutely beautiful. Go upstairs. Again, halfway up the steps, I like to always stop right here and show you again. There's that catwalk. And remember too, we can always make this catwalk shorter and make the bedroom bigger. So if you don't want as much catwalk and you want a bigger lofted bedroom, we can bring this out and shorten your catwalk. Okay, so to keep that in mind, that's an option as well. As you can see, we got this room walled off, but we kept that room open just as an example to show you all what the possibilities are, okay? Up here, I always like to talk about my height. I'm 6'6", and I can stand way up, straight up and down. My head ain't nowhere near hitting the top of that. So this is a very spacious, very livable cabin. Even me being 6'6", almost 6'7". I'm almost 6'7". Every time I say that, I think about my 9-year-old boy. Everybody in his whole school is on that meme. So I can't say the word 6'7" now without going 6'7". So anyways, shout out to my son, Osahan. How you doing, buddy? If you watch this video, Daddy loves you. So anyways, let's keep it moving. There is the window, and there is bedroom number 1. Like I said, we can wall it off and put a door on it. And there's bedroom number 2, which we already got walled off, and voila. Again, these rooms are big enough right now to fit a queen size bed, a full size bed, or a couple of one of those twin bunk beds. Okay, this room, you can actually fit a king size bed, but in my opinion, it would get kind of tight. Same with over here, queen, full, or double twin bunk bed, no problem. If you wanted this room to fit a king size bed, all we'd have to do is do it so it's less catwalk and more bedroom. So bring this out to where the room's bigger and make the catwalk less as long. And then we can easily put a big old king size bed in there. So that ain't no thing but a chicken wing. We can make these lofts bigger. Remember, you let us know how you want it to get it done whenever you order, and we will build it and make the customizations that is necessary to meet what your goals are, okay? Again, guys, this is the Big Bertha 1.0. It does come with the live edge table. You're welcome to either leave it in if you like it, or if you don't like it, we could take it out. Most people do like it, so we do leave it in most of the time, but sometimes folks are like, hey, you know, it's kind of in the way of walk-in, take it out. We'll do a portable table there, and we can do that too. No big deal. But I think it looks beautiful. Let me show you one more shot. I'm getting long-winded here, so let me show you one more shot of the outside of it. Again, you got your screened-in porch with your swing. Swing is included. Screened-in porch is an option. I think we only charge $2,500 extra if you want the screened porch. If not, then it's $79.9 as it is. And look at that, guys. Just a beautiful cabin. Do me a favor, guys. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this.